the soda. Ruby boys, they know us. All fast money, no slow us.
Welcome back to a brand new video guys on Indigenous Network, and today in this video I'll show you how to activate your Windows. So for this process I'll use an app called KMS Pico. It's a pretty popular software which is used to activate your Windows, and you can get it on Google Chrome, or I'll leave a link in the description to download it directly. So now first of all, the thing that you need to do is that make sure that your antivirus and Windows Defender is turned off. It works, but sometimes it may not work if your antivirus or Windows Defender stops it from working. And now as you can see that my Windows isn't activated. They are asking me to activate my Windows, and also without activating my Windows I cannot make personalization changes to my computer. As you can see, I cannot make any changes in this interface because my Windows isn't activated. So now what can you do to activate your Windows? You have to go to KMS Pico. As I've said that I have already downloaded it, and I'll leave a link in the description to download this software. You have to open KMS Pico, and there is an option called KMSELDI. As you can see, this application, you have to click on it. Yes, and then wait for, as you can see, it's working. It might take a couple of minutes, or normally it's a pretty quick process. So yeah, this is how it works. Then you have to close it. As you can see, now you have to go to Auto Pico application and then click on it. As you can see, as soon as you have clicked on Auto Pico option, my Windows activation alert has gone. This means my Windows has been activated. As you can see, now I can personalize. Wait a second. You have to refresh. And now you can see that I have all the personalization options. I can change whatever I want to make to this computer. And yeah, so basically that's how it works. I hope this helped, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel, and we'll see you in the next video.